What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to apply wall covering in Archicad 24 using the CI tool. Now, I have these which I haven't applied covering, so I'll go to the ground floor. So for instance, that we can apply covering to that wall. So this wall and that wall. Now, I mean that corner. You can see that corner. So which is going, which consists of that this wall, that wall, and that, and so I'll have to undo. Sorry, and this other wall. So and just select my roof. I want to hide the roof so that it will not disrupt me. I will need to use the split tool, this tool here. Then select and then split about there, and hold shift. You have to split the wall so that you can apply the covering. So you can select that side. Now after that, you can select this wall. That there's a slab there, sorry. Hold shift, select those walls, and then go to CI, go to covering. I want wall covering. So I'm waiting for this to load. Okay, that is my wall covering. So you can edit all these settings, but in my case I'll just click OK, and then the side that I want to apply the covering is the outside, then the outside. So you select the outer part of the wall, and then now if I go to the 3D, you are able to see my wall covering, unlike in this wall. So to apply roof covering, I just select the roof, go to CI, go to covering, then roof covering. Then you can change the setting. But in my case, I'll just leave it as the way it is. So you can change the settings by just clicking and then select, for example, the edge boards, what you wish to apply for the edge board, etc. Because my laptop is a bit slow, I just click OK. Now this will apply automatic on the outer side, unlike the wall covering that you need to select the side. So you see you have the edge boards, you have the roof sheets, and if you go to the plan view, layer, you need to go, I think, to options, then show all layer. I think, okay, I wanted us to see that roof, but you can see the difference. So this will mark the end of my video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.